All right, so I think this is recording. We're taking a look at Skill 8F. We've been introduced to some trig identities. In this section, we were introduced to the reciprocal identities, to the quotient identities, and to the Pythagorean identities. In the previous section, we called it the complementary angle theorem, but we could have called it the complementary angle identities as well. So that's where I think I would head towards this problem. In my first version of doing these solutions, I just used a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle because I know the sides there of any, using similar triangles. And here, I know from my quotient identity that the tangent of 60 degrees is the same thing as the sine of 60 degrees divided by the cosine of 60 degrees. And using my cofunction identities, sine and cosine are cofunctions, and 60 degrees and 30 degrees are complementary. In the denominator, cosine and sine are cofunctions, and 60 degrees and 30 degrees are complementary. The 30 degrees is the same thing as pi over 6. So I have my denominator up here that's given. The sine of pi over 6 or the sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. And we already showed in a previous problem, I think it was number 4, cosine of pi over 6. Let's go back and look and see if I've still got it. Cosine pi over 6 was number 4, and we found that. So we know that that's the square root of 3 over 2. You can simplify that. The 2's cancel, or if you don't recognize that, since it's a complex fraction, you're dividing by 1/2, but you can write division as multiplication by the reciprocal, and the 2 divided by 2 cancels, and we have an answer of the square root of 3. So hey, I hope that helps. Like I say, I'm trying to provide multiple ways to get the same answer. Talk to you later.